Hi and welcome to Vidyarupa Academy. So I have a very important announcement to make. We have started our live online classes for select papers in Group 1 and Group 2 of CMA Inter. In Group 1, we have Financial Accounting and Cost Accounting. In Group 2, we have Financial Management and OPM and SM. So there's an offer price running which is at 5,500 per paper. You get an access to our live online sessions. We also provide the recorded sessions. Recordings will be available for two attempts, that is your June 26 and up till December 26 attempt. We also include three test series which will be given to you during the course of the classes. It will be reviewed by our expert faculty and you will be given a feedback on the answer sheets, which is very important as you are preparing for a professional exam. So I'll give the link of our website in the description. You can access our website and purchase the course. The classes will start from 19th January. So hurry up and wish you a happy learning.